The Lumex Select Alternating Pressure Low Air Loss Mattress Systems are specialized mattresses that provide pressure management for treatment such as ulcers. These mattress systems have a 2-in-1 alternating function that provides active pressure relief for those in acute care and long-term care settings. Introduction. Inside the box, you'll find the mattress, control pump, air hose, and user manual. Everything you need arrives in one package. Unboxing the mattress system. When opening the box, do not use sharp objects to cut the box open. Using sharp objects could puncture the mattress air cells. Mattress placement. Unroll the mattress onto the bed frame, ensuring that the built-in air hose is positioned at the foot end of the bed. Make sure the air hose is accessible and not caught or pinched in the frame. There is a CPR valve that will be located at the head end of the bed. Securing the mattress. Use the 3 tie-down straps on each side to secure the mattress to the bed deck, not the bed frame. This prevents movement during use. Make sure you attach the straps to the bed deck or the bed frame. This will ensure the mattress won't damage the mattress or bed when you move bed sections. Simply lace the straps through the 2 loops. Separate the loops, then bring the strap over the first loop and through the second loop. Attaching the pump. Now we are ready to attach the pump. The pump has 2 built-in hanger hooks. Spread the hooks apart and attach the pump to the footboard. Connecting the air hose. Attach the air hose connectors to the pump sockets. Listen for an audible click to ensure proper attachment. Powering on. Ensure the power switch is off before plugging the pump into a grounded wall outlet. Make sure that the outlet is not controlled by a wall switch. Inflating the mattress. Turn the power switch on. The mattress will take approximately 45 minutes to fully inflate. Mode selection. The system defaults to an alternate mode. Press the mode button to switch to static mode, where all the cells will remain inflated. Alternate mode cycle. Alternate mode cycles air through cells in a 2-to-1 alternating cell function for pressure relief. The LS200 model cycles every 12 minutes, alternating air pressure in different sections of the mattress. For 4 minutes, the odd cells will deflate, while the even cells remain inflated. For the next 2 minutes, all cells are inflated. Then for 4 minutes, the even cells are deflated, while the odd cells remain inflated. Finally, for 2 minutes, all cells are inflated to end the cycle. The first 3 cells at the mattress head end will always remain static. Adjusting pressure. Use the pressure adjustment knob to set the firmness level based on patient comfort needs. Low pressure alarm. The pump features an audible alarm that alerts caregivers to low pressure. Press the alarm reset button to mute it for 20 minutes. LS300 model differences. The LS300 series mattress is similar to the LS200. However, you will notice some differences. First, the LS300 has a zippered cover rather than a strap cover system. The LS300 series features a digital touchpad and adjustable alternating cycles of 10, 15, or 20 minutes. LS400 controls. The LS400 series mattress has the same great features as the LS300, plus several additional functions. The LS400 provides you with an additional 3 firmness settings. It has an additional cycle time option providing you with 5, 10, 15, and 20-minute cycles. In addition, the LS400 provides you with the Fowler function setting. When this function is activated, it adds extra air to support the hips and lower back when the head of the bed is placed into a Fowler position. To operate the LS300 or LS400, press and hold the front panel power button, shown above, for 1 second. The Operate LED will now illuminate green, indicating that the pump is operating. Press the max button for fast inflation. All comfort level LEDs will flash with the therapy lights off to indicate initial fast inflation via pump. Once the max mattress inflation is achieved, the pump will revert back to previous memory or default settings. Select between static, or alternating mode. When in alternating mode, press the cycle button to set the desired cycle time. Press the soft/firm button to select between 1 and 8 to achieve the patient's desired comfort level. Maintenance and cleaning. Regular inspections for the LS400, LS300, and LS200 should be performed. During regular maintenance, or if the unit does not power on, check the fuse to see if it's faulty. Replace as necessary. Regular maintenance includes inspecting for damage, cleaning with disinfectant, and replacing the air filter as needed. Emergency deflation. The CPR valve quickly deflates the mattress in case of emergency. If CPR is required, first level the bed, then release the CPR quick deflation valve. If there is a power outage, the pump will stop function. The power LED indicator will flash, and the power failure alarm will sound. The pump will return to its normal operation once the power is restored. Proper care and maintenance are important for the Lumex Select Series mattress system. Inspect the unit before each use. Examine the mattress cover surface for visible blood or body fluids. If blood is present, decontaminate the mattress in line with your current facility guidelines. If blood is not present, clean with a cloth and a diluted detergent, cleaner disinfectant, or other germicidal detergent. The cover can be removed and laundered at 160 degrees Fahrenheit using normal detergent. Be sure that the cover is completely dry before using or storage. The pump can be wiped down with a diluted sodium hydrochloride solution or any EPA-approved hospital-grade disinfectant. During inspection, check the mattress surface for any tears or cracking, and ensure that the hose attachments are clean, attached, and undamaged. The pump has an air filter. Check to see if it needs to be replaced. Turn off the power before replacing the filter. The mattress cover or pump can be replaced. Hoses and mattress cells can only be serviced by qualified, authorized personnel. If you believe a component or part is not functioning properly, contact GF Health Products Tech Support. Please ensure that you read the user manual before using your mattress system. For more information, contact your Gramfield representative or visit us at www.gramfield.com.